Water supply, making sure water is safe to drink to avoid health issues. Food sanitation, ensure food is prepared, stored, and served safely to avoid health issues and to ensure good quality food. Waste disposal, proper handling of garbage and sewage to avoid foul odors.
So next is the hotel licensing and sanitation permits. This is all required to make sure our hotel is safe and clean for both employees, guests, and workers. Employees, especially food handlers, need health certificates to prove they are healthy and free from contagious disease. Needs a sanitation permit from the local health office, which shows they follow rules on clean water, proper food handling, and waste disposal and overall cleanliness.
So next is ethical responsibility in guest safety. Ethical responsibility in guest safety means putting the safety and well-being of guests first before profit. This means that even before, for example, even before a guest arrive in a hotel, first each staff must know that the hotel itself was safety for the guest before he or she arrives. This is not the only from a standard of a hotel, but this is also going through not just the standard but also the moral ethics or moral responsibility of a staff to keep its customers safe during or in time the guest was in their hands. That's all.
So next, let's talk about duty of care. Question: how far hotel must go to protect guests? So, duty of care means hotel have legal and moral responsibility to take all reasonable and steps to keep their guests safe from harm. This doesn't mean they can prevent every possible danger, but they must do everything reasonable and expected to protect guests. So, example like if the staff know that the floor is wet, so they must clean it right now because it must be cause an accident, diba? So they must clean it right away and inside to avoid accident. There's some accident or incident that they cannot predict, like a thief. So to avoid that incident or accident, so you must keep your important documents or things, gadgets, something like that. So that's all.
So next one is balancing profit with safety measures. A responsible hotel balances profit and guest safety by making decisions that protect people first before money. So sometimes hotels want to save money, but they should not sacrifice guest safety. For instance, they should not buy cheap but expired food just to earn more profit. Balancing profit with safety measures and risk management means making sure that while a business aims to earn profit, it also protects its workers, customers, and the environment from harm. Risk management helps companies identify possible dangers and create safety plans to prevent accidents. Even though safety measures can be expensive, they are important because accidents or unsafe practices can cause bigger losses, like injuries, damaged reputation, or legal problems. So, a responsible company always finds a balance between earning money and ensuring everyone's safety. For example, a restaurant owner avoids reusing old cooking oil to save money because it can harm customers' health. Instead, they use fresh ingredients and maintain cleanliness in the kitchen. Even if the cost is higher, it ensures safety and builds customers' trust.
And lastly, let's proceed with transparency during crisis or crisis. This means hotels must be honest and open with guests with emergencies or problems happen like fire, earthquakes, food poisoning, power outage, or accidents. Instead of hiding the truth to protect their image or profit, hotels should provide correct and timely information so guests can stay safe and make informed decisions. So, transparency during crisis means nga ang hotel dapat ka na klaro and tinuuray and additional loyalty to the guests so that if ever kung sa'y mahitabo sa kanang hotel, they are aware. So, what will happen man if dili nila isulti, diba, dito sa kanang sa guests, so kanang ma-shock and daghan kaayo mga risk na mahitabo if ever they will not go to inform the guests. So, it is very important to become a transparent sa ato ang guests, not just our kanang head or managers. Kailangan po dapat ang guests because they are the important pudbaya or the VIP sa ato ang hotel. So, like for example, in a hotel restaurant, several guests got sick after eating small seafood. The hotel immediately informed all guests, called doctors and staff serving the dish to prevent more cases. So, kanang kung na ay contaminated food na nakakos og sakit sa ubang guests, ang hotel dapat kanang mo-announce din siya dayon and i-check ang kitchen, mo-coordinate sa health officials like sa mga doctors, mga nurse-anak, or pull out ang tanan yung mga affected dishes. And then, by doing this, ang hotel, nagpakita sila responsible, honest, and concerned sa welfare sa ilang guests. So, that's all guys. Thank you so much.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.